If you are an Excel user, you're probably going to want to watch this video here. To determine Ella's 2021 earning, which is going to be right here, you're going to have to utilize two functions called index and match function, which is going to help you retrieve the intersection of value within the row and the column. Let's say, for example, if I were to draw a line from here, Ella, right across here, and 2021 down this way, I should be getting a value of 11 million if I were to draw an intersection here. So the way to do it, you're going to have to use this formula, equal index. The first argument of index will be the dataset area itself or the array itself. And the second argument pertains to the name Ella and where can you find it from this respect here. So you're going to have to use a function called match. And the first argument would be Ella itself, which is hidden right here, which is on cell K3, comma. And the array where you're going to look for Ella would be from here all the way down here. And the third argument on that match function would be 0 to indicate exact match. Let's close parenthesis and comma. Now to look for the year, you're going to use match again. Open parenthesis. The first argument would be this cell itself, L2, which is 2021, comma. And the array where you're going to look for 2021 would be this one here, C2 to I2, like this. And comma, we're going to say again, exact match, put a 0, close parenthesis, that closes the match, and one more close parenthesis to close the index. If you hit enter, you get 11 million, which is actually, if you draw a line here and line here, you get 11. Let me break down this formula a bit more to see what you get. I'm going to take the first match function here, copy in a clipboard, and then just as an exercise, I'm going to say equal match here. And you can see that this returns a value of 4. How do you get 4? If you count here, so if you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So essentially it's returning the row number on that array here. And likewise, let's do the second match here, like this. Copy in a clipboard. I'm going to put right below it, equal match. This is for the year. And this one will return the value of 5. And if you were to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So technically, this formula, the first match is returning 4 and the second is returning an integer of 5. And if you take those two numbers into this grid here, you get the exact location of where the 11 million comes from.